Hey there, history buffs! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating story of Eritrea, a nation that's been standing tall without the crutches of Western aid. Let's get into the essence of this resilient African country. Eritrea, a small country in the Horn of Africa, boasts a rich tapestry of history and culture. Home to 9 distinct ethnic groups: Tigrinya, Tigray, Bilen, Afar, Kunama, Bidawiyet, Rashaida, Nara and Saho. Eritrea is a melting pot of languages, traditions and religions. These groups have coexisted for centuries, weaving together a unique national identity that's as diverse as it is unified. The road to independence was no easy journey for Eritrea. After being colonized by Italy in the late 19th century and later occupied by British forces during World War II, Eritrea was federated with Ethiopia in 1952. This federation, however, quickly turned sour, leading to Ethiopia's annexation of Eritrea in 1962. What followed was a 30-year-long armed struggle for independence, spearheaded by the Eritrean Liberation Front and later the Eritrean People's Liberation Front. Through sheer determination and an unbreakable spirit, Eritreans triumphed, and in 1991 they finally achieved independence. Since then, Eritrea has charted its own path, often at odds with the Western world. One of the most remarkable aspects of Eritrea's journey is its steadfast refusal to rely on Western aid. Unlike many other nations, Eritrea has opted for self-reliance, focusing on sustainable development and utilizing its own resources. President Isaias Afwerki and his government have pursued policies aimed at bolstering national unity and self-sufficiency. They've invested in agriculture, harnessed renewable energy, and emphasized education and healthcare, striving to uplift their people from within. This self-reliant stance hasn't come without challenges. Eritrea has faced sanctions, isolation, and criticism from various international bodies. Yet, despite these hurdles, the nation continues to stand firm, committed to its principles. In essence, Eritrea's story is one of resilience and determination. It's a testament to the strength of a people who have weathered colonization, war and international pressure, all while maintaining their sovereignty and dignity. So next time you think about nations that have carved their own path in the face of adversity, remember Eritrea, a land of diverse cultures and unyielding spirit, showing the world that strength comes from within. All right, history buffs, that's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more captivating histories from around the globe. Stay curious, and until next time, keep exploring.